The Apple Vision Pro has been released in the US and marks a new chapter as part of its device ecosystem. But the elephant in the room for me is the price tag. It's pretty hefty, $3,500 for the entry-level model, several times more expensive than its nearest competitors. The MetaQuest is around $500.
Do you think this is something that the average person will be able to afford?
I don't know. I think people will make different choices depending upon their current financial situation and so forth.
So I don't think I'm going to be an early adopter of this device. The features and the functionality does look really cool, and the early reviews indicate that it's miles ahead of its competitors, but you can't escape that price tag. So I started thinking, what would make me purchase this device? What are the cool things that I would love to see that would tempt me to purchase this and make the investments? There was three things I was thinking of. So the first one was for learning and education. So you have these online courses. Coursera is a really popular one. It's got recordings and material, and you can get a certificate of covering a certain topic, and they're really high quality education, and some universities you can download whole courses and view them online as well, so they're fantastic. Now imagine if you could be immersed in that lecture theatre, and there's that lecturer and he's writing on the whiteboard, and you can use that spatial audio that Apple talks about in the future set. That immersive experience would be absolutely fantastic. Maybe there's other students there with you and they've got the Vision Pro as well, and you're there live with them attending this lecture. That would be absolutely fantastic. Not everyone can attend university, and having this material, hopefully it will be free as well. I don't even know if this is coming. It's just an idea in my head. But if anyone wants to nick it, give me some credit. Number two, what I was thinking is famous landmarks or places in the world, potentially that you have visited or not visited, doesn't matter, but having that incredible immersive experience and interaction of that place. So the ones that popped to mind for me were when I did Kilimanjaro trek. It's about 7 years ago now, and it was one of the most incredible experiences of my life. It was so challenging. I don't think I'll ever do it again, but it was absolutely breathtaking. So to be back there on top of Uhuru Peak, on top of Kilimanjaro, one of the highest mountain, freestanding mountains in the world, would be absolutely fantastic. I think it would actually bring me to tears. The other one was going to Hajj, so the annual pilgrimage for Muslims. Again, such a life-changing experience. Imagine being able to go back there in Mecca, be immersed, and this is a great one for those people that are unable to go. Number three is immersing yourself inside of a movie. Now imagine being inside, let's say, Avengers Endgame, and being able to move around certain scenes, and it doesn't have to be like the whole movie. I think that would be a bit jarring, but what if it really comes alive when it's some key scenes around there? For example, imagine that famous scene where Captain America has Thor's hammer, Mjolnir. I don't know how you say that. Mjolnir, Thor's hammer, and he shouts, "Avengers, assemble!" Imagine with that spatial audio being close up, and you can hear that, and it's that kind of 3D environment. How absolutely gorgeous and amazing would that be for your experience? So if Apple introduced these features, working with media outlets and third-party developers, of course, and perhaps the movie studios, I'd be genuinely tempted to purchase this. Actually, more than tempted, I would go out and invest, because the experiences that I've described, I think it would be absolutely mind-blowing. Anyway, let me know in the comments what you think. What is the feature, or if it doesn't already exist, what would you love to see that would justify the purchase? What would make you go out and purchase the Vision Pro? Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.